I'm Corinne.
And I'm Alyssa.
Hope you've had a good week.
So today we have a spooky Halloween
Very spooky
special.
Halloween special.
I hope you're all going to dress up for Halloween, even if we can't go out this
Absolutely.
year.
And you can learn this song that I've written especially for us all to sing on the spooky night.
Now, Corinne, I feel like something's missing.
What's missing?
I feel like we need to get into the Halloween spirit.
Oh, we do.
Are you ready?
Okay.
So we are now ready to sing you our Halloween special song.
Written especially by yours truly. In the middle of the night. In the deep dark hours.
Ooh.
And it's called
Ghosties.
Ghosties flying around the house. All is quiet as a moose. Shh. Crawlies creeping everywhere. Creeping here and crawling there. Ooh. Apple duking, ganging guys and loping door to door. Chanting songs and crying jokes. 40 fellow sweetie pokes. Dinny let the vampires in, they are no your friends. They'll steal your goodies like a wall, then they'll haunt your dreams. Ooh. Apple duking, ganging guys and loping door to door. Chanting songs and crying jokes, 40 filler sweetie folks. Apple duking, ganging guys and loping door to door. Chanting songs and crying jokes, 40 filler sweetie folks. 40 filler sweetie folks.
We hope we didn't scare you too much.
Yeah, you scared me. Right, have a lovely Halloween, everyone. Like, share, subscribe. Draw pictures of your Halloween pumpkins or turnips.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Your costumes. Take photos of your costumes. I've had a brilliant idea. Take photos of your costumes and send them to us.
Oh, lovely.
And we'll put them on our big Halloween board.
Post them on the Facebook page though, as we don't get comments on our YouTube.
Oh, we don't actually.
YouTube
No.
Kids. So
We don't.
post it on our Facebook page or on Instagram. If your parents are on Instagram, post it there.
See you next week.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.